Hi, this is TimeChamp, your smart companion for monitoring employees' activities in real time. I know that without proper visibility into your team's work, things can quickly go off track, from uneven workloads to missed accountability and even security risks. The employee monitoring feature of TimeChamp solves all your workplace concerns. Let me show you how. Current activity. This is the activity dashboard. You can find it here in your main dashboard. Here you can view the overall employee count, how many people logged in today and who are online, offline and away from the system. You will also see a breakdown of productivity status, who is being productive and who is not, and who is in the neutral zone. This productivity is measured based on the apps and websites your team uses. You can label them as productive, non-productive and neutral based on how they align with your workflows. The best part is that you can see which apps and websites your employees are using and how long they are staying on each one. See which tools your team uses the most or barely touches. You can also spot who is wasting time on unproductive apps. In the activity level tabs, you will get a visual snapshot of how activities your team employees were throughout the day. It's based on their keyboard and mouse usage. And yes, you can choose the date and time zone that works for you. Right below, you will find a detailed view showing exactly how long each app and website was used. Everything is neatly listed with clear descriptions. And there is a handy search bar to quickly look up any employee. You can export this data to any format you wish by just clicking on the three dots here. By application group, when you head over to the by application group section, you will see apps neatly grouped like project management tools based on the type of work they support, along with total time spent on percentage breakdown for each group. Just click on any app group to dive into the detailed breakdown and see exactly how time was spent. You can also select if you want to see only productive groups or just check non-productive or neutral ones. You can easily filter that for a clearer view. You also have the option to view this data by day, week and month, or even pick a custom date range that fits your needs. By category, if you go to the next section, which is by categories, you can see the same data but in the broader view. Each app and website is categorized in categories like business tools, social media, design tools and more. You can click on any category you desire to see a detailed breakdown of apps used. Detailed activity. As the name suggests, here you can see detailed activity of your employee, like the productivity status, date, computer name, username, duration of the work done on each apps, and the type of work done, like editing, browsing, and many more. You can easily search for a specific user here and filter the results to see productive, non-productive, neutral activity. Anomaly reporting. I kid you not, this feature can save you a fortune. Here you can view which of your employees are slacking off, being suspicious and just not being normal. This is the anomaly percentage, meaning the percentage of unusual activity during the workday, helping you spot any behavior that might need a closer look. When you click on any user, you can see these spikes along with the video recordings. The spikes here indicates abnormal activities of the user. And with screen recordings, you can see exactly what was happening at the moment. It's a pleasant mix of features to bring you utmost clarity. You can also visualize that activities are causing sudden drops and spikes. Websites visited. See which websites your employee visited, how long they used them, and how much percentage each employee takes up from their total work hours. Not every website is the same for every team. For example, social media might be productive for marketing, but a distraction for developers. That's why you can customize the productivity status based on what works for your team. Apps visited. Here you can see all the apps your employee use and how much share each one takes up in their workday. And of course, you get to choose the productivity labeling. Monitoring. The monitoring feature includes more of like real-time insights like screenshots, recordings, keystrokes, and more. Come on, let's deep dive into it. When it comes to workplace disputes or performance reviews, having solid proofs can make all the difference. Here you go. First up is the screenshot feature. You can capture screenshots automatically by configuring the frequency or take them manually whenever needed. Click on any user to view all the screenshots along with timestamps, or use the search bar for a quick find. Office TV. You can view your employees' live screens here and mark specific one as favorite by clicking the star icon. Screen recordings. Here you can view all the screen recordings of your teams in one place. You either automatically record working hours of your employees or manually start or stop recordings based on your preferences. Here you can watch live sessions in the real time or click on past recordings to revisit earlier activities. Keystrokes. See your employees' keystrokes activity during the work hours. You can view detailed data here if your employee are using Office own system. There is nothing intrusive about collecting employees' information. When it's done transparently, with consent, and for a valid business needs, with proper monitoring tools, you can create a healthy and productive workspace that benefits all. And that's a wrap up for now. We will catch you in the next one with more insights to help you level up your workday. See you again. Take care.